It's the next day, and we're packing up the car. It's late. And look how filled to the brim Tiffany's suitcase. It's suffocating. Oh my. So we'll have to just get Brittany, and see that little touchscreen up there? Yeah. For dinner, and we're leaving in about like 40 minutes, so I'm gonna quickly do my makeup.
Down the hill. She went down one. I rolled. But we all fell getting off the lift. Yeah, and I was like, oh, we got to the hill, and I was like, so how do I get? I was like, can I get? And I scared myself. My ski hit my other ski. The whole ski fell off. I'm rolling down the medic came. I was like, hey, you're all right. I was like, I'm just gonna lay here for a second.
Yeah, I'm not gonna record this part.
Glow in the glow of the vending machine and my dot. She's really high voice. We look crew.
Go ahead, sing it too.
Your energy is yours.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm struggling too.
And it could be, it is used as a pre-workout, but like, I take when I first started taking it, when I tell you I was, why didn't you tell her it was oxy shred and not just like pre-workout?
I thought you had this before.
Listen, I was holding myself off the toilet for the first 2 weeks.
So we're taking this before we head out.
Because I was looking at Christine and I never had that problem. And I was like,
I never had that
so then I
problem.
had to Google it, and all these people were like, run! This is gonna keep you off the toilet. I was like, oh, well, I didn't take a whole
okay, so we're talking about some people have different reactions to this. So Tiffany had the runs, right? When she first started taking this. But I was fine, so I thought everybody else would be fine.
So we gonna see how Kendra is.
Yeah. It is a pre-workout.
I thought she was taking like the Alani.
I gotta get it out so you can film it.
Yeah. Strip. What did you do? I'm just kidding.
All right, putting our stuff away in these lockers. And then
Leave a mat, and we'll do the cardio on the
where's Zoe with the keys?
We're not doing it.
We just gonna be sitting at the van or something like that. Okay, we just finished our. Sorry. Oh, okay. We just finished the workout. It was a lot of fun, so I highly recommend it if you guys come to Charleston, South Carolina. I forgot where it was.
My endorphins are going. I have all the energy now.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I was sweating bullets. Copyright.
Not the silence.
So now we're gonna go back, take a shower, and then get ready for brunch. What were you saying, Tiffany?
I don't remember, but I feel good.
Say hi, people in the back.
Paige will sit there. Oh, she's done. Yeah. All right.
Act natural. Oh, right?
I don't think I'm a raspberry person. I'm not worried about that.
Why are you squeezing it?
I can do it.
Okay, we're back from dinner. I was gonna take a nap, but I don't know anymore. I might. We have Disney Channel games later.
Mardi Gras thing from New Orleans when I was just there. Thank you. Hey, sorry, I know you live that life.
What you should do is pour on a bread.
Use the other racks for that. Would you? Oh my god. Alright, I'm turning it off now. Yes, I did. Crazy. Anyways, y'all, we at Buc-ee's. It's crazy in here. As you can see, there's all this stuff in there. Oh yeah, they have like magnets and blankets and stuff.
There's so much food over there. Did you see the food over there?
Okay, we survived Buc-ee's. I got some breakfast and some coffee. I will never be back. I'm gonna say that.